Hey, how's it going, guys? We are doing a little bit of an unboxing for you guys today. I got this amazing RWB Porsche 930 from, Rockwell. My good friend Pondo has gifted this to me as a birthday present. Early birthday present. I still have to wait a couple months. But, hey, let's have a look at this thing because I cannot wait to get this out of its plastic and put into my display case, guys. Like, straight up, as the kids say. We don't need that box. So, here we go. Here we have the box. The packaging itself. Look at that beauty, man. Let's get this microphone a little bit closer. So, yeah, this was a RLC release. This was kind of hard to get for people. This was something that I did not expect to get myself, but thanks to a good friend and a fellow collector, Pondo, I have one. So let's have a look, see, guys. Beautiful packaging. I love this. Absolutely love it. Oh boy, that is a beautiful model. Oh my god. We do not want this in the case, so let's get it out. Okay. Cool. I know there's like a way. Oh yeah, the sideways method, I believe. Okay. All right. Good protector. Yes, I'm wearing a glove because I am not going to be touching this. Let's see. There's a little bit of a bubbling. Oh yeah, that's just a factory, I guess, machine oil stuff. This is why we have our little cloth here covered in cat hair. That's great. Yeah, there's a little bit of a factory oil thing going on here, but luckily it all comes off with ease, and you get to watch me clean it. Hey man, if we're going to be looking at this thing, we need it to look fantastic, right? Guys, this thing is amazing. I've been wanting this since it came out. There's a bit of a... No, it's fine. And honestly, I gave up on it because of it got sold out really quick. But my friend Pondo has the yearly subscription thing happening, so we're all right. Cool. There's a little hairline scratch there, but I think we will survive from that. That's the thing with these highly glossy things. So, let's see. All right. Let's get this bad boy opened up. So, I am not a Porsche guy, per se. I don't really collect Porsches. I have a couple, like literally two other ones. But I really do like RWB designs, the body kits and stuff, and the whole story and lore behind it all. The caulking and all that good stuff. So, all right. So, wow. That is freaking cool, man. And yeah, again, I don't know a lot about Porsches either, But I am a huge fan of this kind of these headlights that stick out. I don't like the flat or slant nose, I think is what they're called. Not the biggest fan of those, even though they do look great. Like, you know, this one right here, they do look amazing. But it's not. I don't know, not my like aesthetic thing. If I was buying Porsches, I'd be going for something more along this era. Wow, we are having fun here with the camera. Okay, so what opens? This opens. So let's have a look. See here. There we go. There's the engine bay. Nothing spectacular. No detail on the engine, as you can see. It's just kind of a bronze color, just like the tailpipes, which is no biggie. I don't expect that much from Hot Wheels. There we go. And I believe the door's supposed to open. I don't know how delicate these are. This isn't like a PGM model or anything, so I think, oh wow, that is actually impressive. Huh. They have like little bumps there to represent the mirrors. Dude, okay. So that is really cool. I do not get this excited about Hot Wheels. What is with these weird, like they wipe off but then they come back? It's so strange. What is that? Yeah, now it's fine. Interesting. It's like stuff gets attached to them and then gets like polarized or something. I don't know. But look at that. Take a little. The way the doors open is really cool. Like that's a lot for Hot Wheels. To be honest with you. Wow. A beautiful specimen, man. So happy to have this in my collection. So thankful for friends like Pondo, who we look out for each other in collecting. He looks out for me more so than I look out for him, because I don't have access to all this amazing stuff. I don't really sign up for different things like the RLC Club and all that. Not the yearly subscription, but god dang, she is pretty, boys. So I'm not sure what was going on with people. Kind of, I noticed online, people were kind of complaining about stuff with this car, that there was some issues. I'm not sure what the issues are, because I don't see them. This thing's beautiful, man. And like I learned from Sir Lamley, this was originally, the RWB was designed by Junimai Kaido House, hence why I have this background here with the Kaido House DGK board, is because I absolutely love Junimai's designs, even when he worked for Hot Wheels. But this one apparently is not his design, at least maybe it was originally, but it was retooled by another designer, so that the doors and the trunk can open. So it's still cool because the roots are from Junimai. But here's the bottom for you. Not too much stuff here, but there you go, RWB. But in any case, it's still cool. And I am a fan of RWB, like I said. Currently, I'm gonna try to get the black silhouette RWB, the one that is Junimai's design, because I just need to have that with my Kaido House collection, to be honest with you. So yeah, there we go. So there she is, guys. Honestly, I love it. There's really not much I can say. This thing is fantastic. She's pretty. I love the chrome. And definitely worth the hype. I don't know. Awesome. I think that's it for the for the review and unboxing. There's not much else I can say other than this is effing badass, and I love it, and I'm happy that it's in my collection. And Pondo, thank you, bro. This is amazing. What an amazing birthday gift. I'm still kind of in shock that I am in possession of this beautiful model. Heck yeah. Alright guys, see you in the next video.